Authorize, to approve or give official permission for something to happen. When someone is authorized, they are given the power to act. Synonyms: order, entitle, empower. Antonyms: forbid, ban. The manager authorized the refund after hearing the complaint. Dissect, to carefully cut something apart for scientific study or to analyze deeply. You might dissect a frog in biology class or dissect an argument in debate. Synonym: examine. Antonym: sew together. The student dissected the passage to understand its deeper meaning. Fatality, a death resulting from an accident, disaster, or violence. It's often used in reports, news, or safety warnings. Synonyms: casualty, mortality. Antonym: injury. The storm caused several injuries, but thankfully, no fatalities. Remember, it always refers to the loss of life. Illicit, something not allowed by law or rules, unlawful or improper. Illicit actions often happen in secret and are punishable. Synonyms: illegal, unauthorized, forbidden. Antonyms: legal, lawful. They were arrested for selling illicit drugs. Memorandum, a short written note used to help remember something or communicate briefly. Also called a memo. It's common in workplaces. Synonym: reminder. She left a memorandum on her desk so she wouldn't forget the meeting. Pathetic, something so sad or weak that it stirs up pity or sorrow. It can describe emotions, situations, or even behavior. Synonyms: moving, distressing, pitiable, heart-rending. Antonyms: funny, frightening. The puppy's cry was so pathetic that it made everyone emotional. Prevaricate, to avoid the truth by being unclear or lying. When someone prevaricates, they dodge a direct answer. Synonyms: stretch the truth, equivocate. Antonym: tell the truth. He prevaricated when asked about the missing files. Relish, as a noun it means great enjoyment. As a verb it means to deeply enjoy. It can also mean a tasty condiment. Synonyms: pleasure, take delight in. Antonyms: hate. She relished the opportunity to perform on stage. Reminisce, to recall and talk about past experiences, especially good ones. It's often a warm, nostalgic act. Synonyms: remember, recollect. During the reunion, they reminisced about their school days. Scour, to scrub hard while cleaning or to search intensely. It shows effort, whether in cleaning or finding something. Synonyms: scrub, search, comb. Antonyms: dirty, soil. She scoured the shelves to find the last copy of the book.